I can't believe he broke up with me at Scarathon. He left me alone with geeks and pedophiles.
Well, he didn't really break up with you. I was there.
And me!
Colton, you're too young to be a pedophile.
Biatch?
You two are always breaking up and getting back together. You're like the Chloe and Lamar of Malibu Lake.
Whatever, I just want to chill by the lake. I'll see you in 15.
You mind if I invite Jacob?
Jacob.
Jason Mass Jacob?
Seriously?
From Scarecon?
Well, I mean, he's not a geek.
He's only like 3 years older than us.
3 years. Sure he is. Okay, Colton, where are you, you Eli! What are you doing here?
Good one, bro.
Everyone out of my room, and you out of my house.
Hey, you can stay if he wants. He's my friend, too.
Out.
So what are you gonna do?
About?
You're not pissed that Eli showed up?
No, I know he didn't mean it. I'll let him suffer and make it up to me later.
Oh, it's Jason. I mean, Jacob. I'll go get him. See you by the lake. Okay.
Hey, girl.
Did you write this?
No.
Colton!
Hey, babe.
Are you okay?
Yeah. He always gets this way.
You okay? Drinking already? Great. Listen, Eli, you really need to leave. I'm really over your issues. I can't do it.
Or you'll what?
I'll call your parents.
Whatever. I'm taking off. Let's go, Ty. I need a ride home.
What? Come on, man. I just put on my SPF. Watch out,
Give me that.
That was a good one, man. You deserved it.
Thank you.
Are we good? All right, cool. I'm gonna go get some more drinks. Come with me. Hey.
This is where my dad keeps all the good stuff.
Seriously, Colton? This is the good stuff? I know your dad. Where's the really good stuff?
Okay, it's all back there, so my sister's alky friends can't get to it. No offense.
None taken.
Whoa. What's this?
Is that a Ouija board?
All right, forget the movies. We're doing this instead.
Yeah.
Where'd you get that?
We found it over there.
Put that away. It opens the door to evil.
Oh.
People who play with things like that go to hell.
Come on, sweetie. We all know you're gonna end up there someday.
Does anyone know how to do it?
I do, darling.
I don't know.
I dare you.
do?
Shut up.
It's evil.
What? What are you wearing?
What are you doing?
My family's part gypsy.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Calling all spirits. Spirits. Hashtag evil. Hashtag Elvis. Hashtag Tupac.
Yeah, there we go.
Is there anyone here with us tonight that
Place your fingers.
What the hell?
It's moving.
So Gypsy's moving around.
Okay, sure, the gypsy's moving.
You'll anger the spirits. What's your name?
Jay. S.
S.
O. N.
Jason. Shut up, Colton. You're moving it.
No, I'm not.
I told you, it's evil. Let's just watch The Shining.
Yeah, I'm done.
Or we can just put truth or dare.
What are we, 8th graders?
Well, some of us are. I mean, I am. But
Well, maybe the spirits are just tired. How about we watch Friday the 13th?
Yeah, I'm done.
yeah, okay. Oh, look at my mask.
Yeah.
Oops, I can't. Bailey threw it in the lake.
Sorry.
I'm leaving. It's locked. It's locked.
What do you mean it's
What?
locked?
I mean, it's locked.
No.
We're locked out.
What?
Alright,
What now,
guys.
Gypsy?
Just calm down. Calm down.
Oh,
Let's calm down and reset. Try it again.
All right.
Wait.
That's what you.
What you guys?
Truth or dare? Oh, dude.
Well,
I'll go. Dare.
Okay.
all right.
Whatever.
B. U. R. Burp.
I'll try.
Nice there.
Let's go. Let's see what you got.
Oh, gross.
Wow, that was disappointing. That was
No,
like a
that's just
2.
disgusting.
That was a 0.
No,
that was
it
actually a
gross.
0.
Thank you for accepting it.
Okay. I'll go next.
Alright.
Are you sure? Yeah.
Okay.
Dare.
Okay.
I.
S. Ooh. Let's see.
S.
S.
Kiss. 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 Kiss.
No problem. Come here, sweetie.
Really?
Rude.
You just curved?
Oh. Wow, you are cruel. You are.
It's all right.
It's cool.
Okay, I'll go. Truth. Doesn't like me.
Oh, it doesn't have any batteries. Alright.
Okay. Dare.
Yeah. Dare.
I'll dare.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, there we go. There we go.
You're starting off good.
I.
Better.